Dala sam malo. Samo je malo, nije puno, vidiš. Because you don't like a lot, just a little bit.
You could have given none.
Pa ne mogu dat none. How you gonna know then how does it taste? You never tried those kind.
You could have gave me none. Yeah. Tastes good.
Samo vi enjoyajte, to sam ja vama malo dala.
Does it taste good or bad?
Tastes great.
To me, no.
Did you try it?
I think we'll always.
That's not the same.
Huh?
Šta gledaš u Emina?
Mama, can you read that card I gave you right now?
Yes, I will.
Mama.
Molim te. Samo ti.
Do I have to use the green?
Yes, that's a little bit. If you don't want a little bit, you want a more?
No, I want
Then
more.
ajde malo, yes. Sad će vama dati kruha. Kada umačete, znaš. Evo ga. Fantastično.
But put it in your mouth, the whole thing.
Ma ne ide tako, you just put on your tongue and you spit, that's not the way to
The whole
try.
thing. Okay. The whole thing.
I evo ti da možeš staviti kruha. Of course it's good. Did you see those little girls at the party?